There's something most people expect when they leave teaching. They expect something dramatic to happen, either collapse or clarity, some clear signal that their life has shifted. But for most people, what actually happens is much quieter, and that quiet can be unsettling. The first surprise is how little changes immediately. You wake up and the world looks the same. The kitchen is the same, the street is the same. The day unfolds normally. There's no clear moment where the old life ends and the new one begins. Just another weekday that feels like it should mean more. What follows is a period that feels like waiting. Not waiting for something specific, but waiting for life to reorganize itself. There's no clear timeline, no intensity curve, just a sense that things are in motion without yet having a shape. What's lost first isn't meaning, it's structure. The timetable disappears, the calendar loses relevance, the role that told you what to do next is gone. Without that external structure, even simple days can feel strangely disorienting. The logistical shift happens quickly, the identity shift doesn't. You stop teaching in a day, but it takes much longer to stop being a teacher. Your mind still organizes the world the same way. Your reference points remain, your instincts stay active. Identity always moves slower than circumstance. Many people expect relief. Instead, they feel flat. The stress carried for years doesn't switch off overnight. Your nervous system is still calibrated for urgency. So when the urgency disappears, there's a strange quiet where it used to be. Decompression happens slowly, often without you noticing. What happens next isn't reinvention, it's translation. The skills don't disappear, they migrate. The ability to explain, to manage complexity, to adapt under pressure, those capacities remain, they just need new contexts. This in-between phase often gets misread. Uncertainty feels like failure, slowness feels like a mistake, but uncertainty isn't evidence that you chose wrong. It's evidence that something real is changing without rushing to replace itself. There's no moment where everything clicks, no day where a new identity arrives fully formed. Instead, there's a gradual settling. Patterns emerge, energy redistributes, clarity arrives without announcement. What happens after you leave teaching is quieter than expected, slower, less defined. And that isn't a problem to solve. It's what happens when someone who spent years being very sure of their role allows themselves to be less sure for a while. Reorganization takes time, and time is exactly what this phase requires.